Okay, so the key to solving these inspection problems on page 32 is really just page 30 and 31. These are going to help you because they have all of your rules on them. So let's start by just writing out problem 1 on page 32. Okay, number 1. It says 9a squared minus b squared all over 3a minus b. Okay, so let's look back at our first page. Okay, the way they want to see these written is with an a squared, a b squared, or an a cubed, a b cubed. They want the powers to be the same. See, like over here, they want the powers on page 31. You see in all your examples, the powers in the dividend are the same type of power. And then on the bottom, your divisor is just a plus b or a minus b. Okay, so in our problem, 9a squared minus b squared, we want to get these to where they're the same power. Yes, the a squared is the same power as the b squared, but what about the 9? We need to rewrite this as 3a and then parentheses around it all squared. That way, this is our a. That's like our a in those examples. Like this, a squared minus b squared over a minus b. Like those in the example pages, that's that. 3a squared just makes 3 times 3, 9. A times a squared. So 3a squared minus b squared, and then let's write at the bottom, 3a minus b. Okay, now we're going to look at our example pages. What is this? Think about 2 minuses right there. This is what's called a difference over a difference. So go to page 30 and look at what your book said about difference divided by a difference. They said that they will always come out even. You'll never have a remainder. And let's look over on 31. Our law of signs says that when a minus b is the divisor, meaning the one on the bottom, that the signs in the quotient in your answer are all going to be plus. So really that's like the simplest you can be. If a minus b is on the bottom, you're good. You don't have to worry about signs. So what we're going to do is we're just going to work this out. A squared, look at your example. It will turn out exactly like that if you wanted to replace a and b with what's in your other one. Okay, let's do that. 3a squared minus b squared all over 3a minus b. Okay? Let me illustrate this for you. You remember when we divided something with long division? Remember how if you started out with, say, let's write this one, how you originally started out, 9a squared minus b squared. If you originally started out with that, divided by 3a minus b. Remember how you had to write your zeros in there to kind of keep your place value organized, to call it